Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see fancy dress competition speech on the topic Colgate paste. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, sirs and my dear friends. My name is Shruti. I am presenting a roll of a Colgate paste. I am Colgate, your trusted toothpaste. I am your teeth's best friend. I fight germs, protect against cavities. I make your teeth strong and white. I was founded in 1806 by William Colgate. I am about 215 years old as of today. Brush twice a day, morning and night. Use me to keep the dentist away. I am useful for plaque reduction, fresh breath, enamel repair, and gum health. Smile bright with Colgate. I am the most trusted brand. Thank you.